Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyan Bharati Junior College of Science, Kulgaon. Dear student, in the previous video, we started here the chapter magnetism, and in that chapter we have seen various basic concepts about the magnet and the paramagnet. So here is the one definition that we have to see here: magnetic dipole moment. So here the definition of the magnetic dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment. It is denoted by the letter capital M, but in this current book of the Maharashtra State Government, State Board of Education, it is denoted by the small m. But in the previous book, it is denoted by the letter capital M. Listen carefully, capital M. Yes, I have written here the capital M. So here, you have seen the paramagnet having the structure like this. The paramagnet having the two poles, north and south. Therefore, here, this is called as the dipole. This is called as the dipole. This is center. So the length of the magnet is shown by L, that is twice L. So the distance between the two poles of the magnet is denoted by the letter twice L, and this twice L is called as the magnetic length. This is known as the magnetic length. We have seen all these concepts. The distance between the north and the south pole is called as the magnetic length. It is denoted by the letter twice L, but here the pole strength of the north pole is denoted by the letters plus small m, while the pole strength of the south pole is denoted by the letter small m, but it is negative. So here plus m is the pole strength of the north pole, while minus m is the pole strength of the south pole, and it is the magnetic length. So here the magnetic dipole moment. So magnetic dipole moment, it is the product of, that is, magnetic length and magnitude of the pole strength. But here the pole strength is denoted by the plus m and the minus m. It is confused that which pole strength we have to take into consideration. But we have to take into consideration the magnitude of the one of the pole. Suppose here is the minus m, the magnitude of this minus m is the plus m, while here the magnitude of the plus m is the plus m. So here the magnetic dipole moment is denoted by capital M, and it is equal to the product of magnetic length into pole strength. So here magnetic length is denoted by the letter twice L, while pole strength is denoted by the small m. Therefore here capital M is equal to twice L into small m, or m into twice L. This is called as what? Magnetic dipole moment. It is the vector quantity, twice L into m. It is the magnetic dipole moment. So in the vector form you denote like this: bar m twice L into small m, twice L m. So here is the vector length. लेंथ अगर बोला तो फिर क्या होगा, वो स्केलर आएगा, और ये क्या होगा, मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट में क्या है, m, और ये m क्या है, पोल स्ट्रेंथ. मींस हियर twice L into m is the vector quantity, twice L into m is the vector quantity. So the direction of this vector is from south pole to north pole like this. This is the direction of the capital M. The direction of the capital M. So this arrow indicates here M is the vector quantity, but the direction of the capital M is from south pole to the north pole. Means it is directed from the south pole to the north pole, because here the magnetic lines of forces will be like this. direction of the magnetic lines of forces originate from the north pole and ends on the south pole, but inside that of the magnet it is originated from south pole to the north pole. Therefore here the direction of the magnetic dipole moment is given by south pole to the north pole. So it is the vector quantity. It is the vector quantity. So unit of this magnetic dipole moment is, so here the length is measured in the meter, and previously we have seen the pole strength having the unit of the ampere meter. Therefore here ampere meter. So this combined unit is called as the ampere meter square, is the unit for the measurement of what? Magnetic dipole moment. So magnetic dipole moment can be defined as the product of what? Pole strength into magnetic length times L into M, which is the vector quantity, and having the unit ampere meter square. This is about the magnetic dipole moment. So dear student, after to this we have to see here the magnetic field due to a bar magnet. बार मैग्नेट से क्या करना है हमको? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड निकालनी है कहां पर? बट इन द प्रीवियस सिलेबस देयर वाज द व्हाट, एक लंबा चौड़ा एक डेरिवेशन था ये दोनों पॉइंट के लिए, मींस यू हैव टू डिटरमाइन हियर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू अ बार मैग्नेट एट एन एक्सियल पॉइंट and at an equatorial point. In the previous syllabus there was the एक long derivation था, लंबा चौड़ा derivation था, but in this syllabus there is no derivation for this axial point and the equatorial point. So derivation is only for the arbitrary point is given in this syllabus. So for this the magnetic field intensity due to a bar magnet at an axial point, मैं क्या देखने जा रहा हूँ? एट एन एक्सियल पॉइंट के लिए देखने जा रहा हूँ, एक्सियल पॉइंट. सो आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट हियर इज द बार मैग्नेट हैविंग द डाइपोल मोमेंट कैपिटल M, बिकॉज़ आई एम टेकिंग हियर सिंबल ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट कैपिटल M एज इन द ओल्ड सिलेबस. सो हियर इज द बार मैग्नेट, दिस इज बार मैग्नेट. Here is the north pole, here is the south pole of the magnet, here is the north pole, here is the south pole, the line passing through the two poles of the magnet, but horizontal line, this is called as the axis of the bar magnet. So here, this is the axis of the bar magnet. So if you have to choose the point at this point P, suppose this is point P, and this point P is an axial point and which is at a distance of small r from the center of the bar magnet. What I am seeing, मैंने क्या किया? ये पॉइंट P को मैंने कंसीडर किया और कहाँ किया कंसीडर? At the distance r from the center of the bar magnet, because यहाँ पे वो जो पॉइंट है ये क्या है? सेंटर ऑफ द बार मैग्नेट है. So here the dipole moment is given by the capital M. This is the dipole moment. डायरेक्शन कहाँ से कहाँ होगा? साउथ से लेकर नॉर्थ तक होगा. Means this is the air, small air, this is the small air. Is complete is the twice that is the magnetic length. So here point P is an axial point because point P lies on the axis of the bar magnet. Therefore this point P is called as the axial point. So the distance between the point O and P, OP. Therefore distance OP is equal to, ये कितना है? OS is equal to L है. ON is equal to कितना है? L है. Means ये this OP equal to R distance है, OP equal to R, but ON is equal to OS is equal to small l है. मुझे क्या चाहिए? ये डिस्टेंस चाहिए. ये डिस्टेंस कितना है? L है. ये डिस्टेंस कितना है? टोटल R है. मींस ये डिस्टेंस कितना हुआ? S to P, R minus L हुआ. Therefore डिस्टेंस SP is equal to R minus L. और ये डिस्टेंस कितना हुआ? ये R और ये स्मॉल l. Therefore ये हुआ NP is equal to, ये हुआ मेरा R plus L. But at this point P, what can be determined? The magnetic field due to the north pole at the point P, magnetic field due to the south pole at the point P. So magnetic field at the point P is given by the south pole and the magnetic north pole is given by the, because due to the south pole here will be the magnetic field that is given by the P1 is equal to, means mu 0 upon 4 pi and twice m upon r cube. इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, r cube को हम मैंने पढ़ लिया डिस्टेंस कितना है, sp का डिस्टेंस कितना है, r minus l means at the point this point means b1 is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi. ये काय की वजह से दिया मैंने, ये साउथ पोल की वजह से दे रहा हूं मैं, means mu 0 upon 4 pi twice m upon r cube. और r cube का वैल्यू कितना होगा आपको पता है, mu 0 upon 4 pi. बट लेकिन ये कहां से कहां होता है, ये नेगेटिव होता है, इसलिए डायरेक्शन कहां है, ये डायरेक्शन में है, तो ये डायरेक्शन कहां है, ये डायरेक्शन में, साउथ टू नॉर्थ, और ये कहां से कहां, ये डायरेक्शन में है. 0.4 twice m upon r cube का डायरेक्शन, r कहां होगा, r minus l ये क्यूब हुआ. सो दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 2. मुझे ऐसे ही एक्सप्रेशन निकालना पड़ेगा, काय के लिए, नॉर्थ पोल की वजह से निकालना पड़ेगा. देयरफॉर b2 = 1 mu 0 upon 4 pi twice m upon r cube. और यहाँ पे r cube का वैल्यू कितना होगा, r plus l होगा, means mu 0 upon 4 pi ये twice m upon क्या होगा, r plus l whole cube. So this is your equation number 1. पर लेकिन मुझे क्या निकालना है, एट दिस पॉइंट p पे निकालना है, काय की वजह से निकालना है, बार मैग्नेट की, कंप्लीट बार मैग्नेट की वजह से निकालना है. So you have to add this b1 and b2 because b1 is the what, काय की वजह से है, साउथ पोल की वजह से, b2 काय की वजह से है, नॉर्थ पोल की वजह से. therefore combinedly b is equal to b1 plus b2. this is the vector sum of the two magnetic fields. So after making addition here, doing addition here, this addition here, the complete expression for this is, ये यहाँ पे कंप्लीट देता हूँ मैं, b1 plus b2 करके, b1 plus b2 करके ये आएगा bxl आ जाएगा. that will be given by the mu 0 upon 4 pi twice m upon r cube. ये पूरा कंप्लीट आ जाएगा आपका एक्सप्रेशन. so this is the magnetic field due to the whole bar magnet. कहाँ पे लिया मैंने, पॉइंट p axial लिया, means bxl is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi twice m upon r cube. ये आता है कंप्लीटली आता है एक्सिस के लिए, आता है कंप्लीटली आता है एक्सिस के लिए. मैंने क्या निकाला पहले, means magnetic field due to the नॉर्थ पोल, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू दी साउथ पोल, दोनों का क्या मैंने वेक्टर एडिशन किया. वेक्टर एडिशन करने के बाद जो भी आता है वो क्या आता है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू दी कंप्लीट बार मैग्नेट bxl = mu 0 upon 4 pi twice m upon r cube. ये क्या देगा मुझे, एक्सियल पॉइंट के लिए देगा, बिकॉज़ पॉइंट p इज द एक्सियल पॉइंट. इसका डायरेक्शन क्या होगा, अगर ये पॉइंट मैं यहां मान के चलो कि नॉर्थ पोल है और ये मेरा साउथ पोल है मैग्नेट का, तो फिर ये इसका डायरेक्शन क्या देगा, ऐसा देगा. साउथ पोल की वजह से कहां देगा, इधर देगा, मींस ये नॉर्थ पोल की वजह से इधर देगा, ये साउथ पोल की वजह से इधर देगा. ठीक है, पर लेकिन कंप्लीटली जब मैं इसका कंबाइन करता हूं, कंबाइन में मींस रिजल्टेंट bxl = mu 0 upon 4 pi twice m upon r cube ऐसा देगा मुझे. दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू द बार मैग्नेट एट द एक्सियल पॉइंट. सो दूसरा पॉइंट क्या है, इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट के लिए देखना है मुझे. नाउ सपोज इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट, इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, यू हैव टू टेक नाउ the bar magnet